In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and click on the password that you wish to edit. Now enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!